Good morning everyone. Welcome back to your online class. So we will start our continuing chapter, that is chapter number 7 from the window, and uh, we all have finished the previous one, and this is the continuation of the same chapter. And you all know that Radha and Umana, they were planning to visit. They were planning to go somewhere, but what happened was, somehow Radha could not go to the place. So Umana, they both planned that whatever I will see and whatever I will experience, I will write in the diary and I will give it to you. Okay, so this is the thing whatever Omana wrote in her diary on about 17th May. Okay, the previous ones were 16th May. Now we are going to learn, or I am going to tell you about what she wrote in her diary about the day or the date 17th May. Okay, so it is early, it is morning now. So what happened was, last night she slept and this is morning time. So this is new day, so it is morning time now. And last time I went to sleep early, that means she went to sleep early last night, means 16th May night she slept early. Okay, it was too dark to see anything outside. So because why she slept early, because she was not able to see anything outside the window, so she slept early. When the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. It was Madgaon. So, as I told you that she slept early last night, that means 16th May night, she slept early because she could not see anything outside. So, when she woke up, that means 17th May morning, when she woke up, she was Madgaon, that means she was in the different place. That was written on the board at the platform, that means the station, it was written. You all have seen, maybe in each station there will be board and there will be the name of the respective place. So she saw that was Madgaon, and when she woke up, it was Madgaon. Appa said that we are going through the state of Goa. So her father said that they were going through the state of Goa. We got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled our water bottles. So in that platform, in that station, what did they do? They got down from the train and they had some hot tea because it was early in the morning, and they filled their water bottles. And the train started again. And again the train started after they had some hot teas and they filled their water bottles. The train started again. I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. So when the train started again, Omana find difficult to see whatever was outside. It was so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It is green everywhere, fields with red soil and green crops, hills covered with trees. So she was so it was so beautiful outside that she was not able to describe the beauty around her. So okay, so she have just mentioned that it was green everywhere. That means outside it was green, filled with fields with the red soil, green crops. All the fields were with green crops, hills were covered with trees. Okay, then as I told you that whatever was around her, it was all green, and she has described that they all were beautiful. Okay, greenery everywhere was green, trees and green crops, fields, all the things. Okay, so sometimes I can see small ponds, and far away behind the hills more water. So after some time, what happens, she saw small ponds far away, that means from the place where she was sitting, or inside the train, she could see small ponds far away, and far behind the hills there were more waters. I can't make out if it is the river or the sea. So what happened, when she saw the ponds and the hills and the waters, she was not sure whether it was river or the sea. Okay, she just saw water, more waters, and the ponds, but she was not sure whether it was river or the sea. And it was, and the air was also cooler, and it was not so dry as compared to Ahmedabad. It was cool, and not, the air was not so dry, and it was cool, the air was cool. Okay, the train passed a level crossing. People are waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. There are buses full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooters, and even tongas and bullock carts with people and goods in them. So when she felt the breeze or the air, and the air was cool, and it was not so dry as compared to Ahmedabad, then what happened, the train passed the level crossing. Level crossing means the intersection where a railway line crosses a road or path, or you can say that it is a place where railway line or the road meets each other, okay, at the same level. So when the train passed the level crossing, she saw people waiting. You can see in the picture also that this is the main road. And you can see the all the vehicles on the trucks and the bullock cars and all the things there, and they all are waiting for the train to pass this railway track. Okay, so this is the intersection of the railway track and the main road. Okay, so this is called level crossing. So you can see the people are waiting for the train to go. Okay, train to pass the place so that they can go. And she saw buses full of people. That means all the buses, the cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooter, whatever she saw there, those all were full of people. Okay, so, and not only people, some of the tongas and bullock carts were filled with goods also. Not only people, but they were carrying goods also. Some people do not switch off the engines of their vehicle even while waiting at the level crossing. So what she saw there was, when the train was passing the level crossing, what she noticed on the both side was that some of the people did not switch off their vehicle. That means their vehicle were switched on. Okay, so they were not they were not switching off their vehicles. There is a lot of smoke and noises. So what happened as a result, as I told you that they did not switch off their vehicles, what happened was there were lots of smokes and noise also. Okay, all the horns and all the people were shouting, maybe the people were talking, chattering. So what she heard was, or what she saw there was, smoke and noise. Okay, I see some people going under the bars of the level crossing. How dangerous this is. So another thing what she saw was that she saw some of the people crossing the level crossing bar. Okay, some of them were going under the bars of the level crossing. That means under the bar. You all have seen maybe that in the level crossing area you can see the bars and all the thing, and the people were going under or going through the bars. Okay, and that was very dangerous. Okay, at times our train crosses another train. Unni and I tried to count the carriages in one such train, but both the trains were going so fast we always got confused. So what happened was, that moment only our their train crosses another train. That means the train crossed another train. So Unni and Omana try to count the carriages. Okay, and when another train crosses their train, they try to count the carriages, like the bogie. Okay, how many bogie were there. So they were trying to count the carriages, but what happened, both the trains were so fast. That means every time what happens, the trains are always moving fast, so they were so confused. Okay, they were not able to count the carriages. So you can see here what was the difference in the scene that Omana saw from the train on the first day and on the second day. So this is the question. So you all know that in what is the difference in the scene. That means Omana's on the first day and the second day, what is the difference in the scene. The question is that one. So you have to write that you all know that on the first day what Omana did was she was not able to see anything. That means it was very dark outside. That is the reason she could not see anything, and the weather was also hot and dry. But on the second day or 17th May, what happened, Omana was at Madgaon, and when the train left the station, she observed that the scene outside was so beautiful. As I told you that it was green everywhere, and red soil, green crops and green hills covered with trees. Okay, that is the difference between the first day and the second day. So another question is, Omana saw many kinds of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run on diesel or petrol? So as I told you that when the train was crossing the level crossing, when the train was passing the level crossing, Omana saw different vehicles both side no, and the question is, which of them among the vehicles, which of them run on diesel or petrol? Okay, the buses, trucks and few cars, okay, run on diesel, while scooters, as I told you that she also noticed scooters, motorcycles, okay, and motorcycles, scooters, they all run on petrol. But the buses, trucks and other cars, some of the few cars run on diesel. Okay, why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? Why there was so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? Because some people did not turn off their engines of their vehicle. That means they did not turn off their vehicles, okay, vehicle engines of the vehicles, even while waiting at the railway crossing. In that railway level crossing, they did not turn off their engines, okay, of their vehicle. That is the reason there were so much smoke and noises. What can we do to reduce noise of the vehicle and save petrol and diesel? Discuss. So one way is to, here the answer will be, one way is to switch off the engines and engines of the vehicle when waiting for the signal or level crossing. Doing regular checkups and servicing the vehicles will reduce noise of the vehicle and even save fuel also. Okay, so I will be sending all this through WhatsApp, so you copy all the thing. We will continue the another part, this one, in our another class.